Unveiling Nature's Artistry, Understanding Nature's Hand. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the picturesque phrase, nature's hand. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture and is used to express the influence or work of natural forces. So, let's dive in and understand its nuances. Nature's hand is a metaphorical expression. Literally, nature doesn't have hands, but this phrase personifies nature, giving it human characteristics. It's a poetic way of attributing natural creations and phenomena to an invisible artist, nature itself. To grasp the meaning, let's see nature's hand in action within sentences. The mountain's sheer beauty is the work of nature's hand, sculpting it over millennia. We marveled at the garden, where nature's hand had painted every leaf with autumn's colors. The phrase can be used in various contexts, often to emphasize the beauty, creativity, or destructive power of natural forces. It's a way to show respect for the environment and recognize the world around us as a masterpiece. We hope this exploration of nature's hand has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication but also for creating beauty. Until next time, keep learning and enjoying the art of English.